me share video bi. Mo share video no adubusan for ba so na share video na mami. Me share meeting program bi wa Adom TV. Na me follow program we wo Adom TV. Mo share video na busan for ba so na opie video no so. Na nipa na ye ni interview no economic expert aye omo free no say said the Ghana you say fastest growing economy after COVID. He said the Ghana economy and I don't know said the year be no more analysis or deba all the time about growing economy ne ho economy no ya na me dey do baby a minim baby a ebinum nya omobro free na program na meeting no nipa na ye friend na ye ni interview no utim se odi as o ka asem na odi akonwan say problem no emfiri ne efritete o ka asem na odi akonwan say problem no emfiri ne efritete nyina ne say say oye mistake na o ka no kure say aban we abobosia cha aban bia na say na aban we so na Ghana say ye ka ebu ye kon enso tememfo nya adwuma nye na amanfo esofa baby o kora hwe anadwuma bebo no nti osuro se obeka no kure na Kwaku Adukumi ebisa no very intelligent question bi. Kwaku Adukumi ofakwa me bacho ba me live mi wi awai yo eja ye we di entise radio ni a etimi peke ko me senior man frame wa adwuma mu no wa ho se Kwaku Adukumi bisa no nyansa question bi pa de pem no say ewom se eka no fitete asa jomama efri wona Ghana kai 120 billion said ye nyina Ghana yinim no na Ghana for so be kai 2016 said ye tuti ajomama no it was out of the incompetence and the competency na nado ne baomi a omo kai se omo betimi so oman yi kamu ama oman ye gine yie enunti ena ye tuti ajomama inti die na o kan fa ho se nipa no within 4 years ubaya ka ya 120 billion no wo wonko a wo de bi aka ho ama na koduru 300 munya calculation no na monhwe difference say wo de 180 billion na ba be ka ho and this is so serious say a car down from Rollins time ebe pem bra Akufo no nyina betwa mu ne wan no bepem jomama sikadi obedi ye nyina achi no na 120 billion na na do ba ya 180 billion abusuafo o ze meka chiro say Ghana gidie bi anim na esese youth no ye story na ye jai say ye san ko sunlight eto abama nkrofo we until they fix the judiciary, they fix the constitution. Let me give you this brief and explanation about the judicial service. I mean, I'm fixing no. Judicial service enya adwuma na no kreni o man mu judicial service no massage law no enunti na all the time obi timba no adisika hwe se enya judicial service ena massage law na emra nya adwuma na se constitution nso na hia se fix ya enke wo se contractors bebre under President Kufuor time omo jail yen papa the late Professor Moss was a contractors be bring kind of time omo jail former President John Dramani Mahama was a contractors be bring under the time komo jail ministers ni MPs be bring wan kasabre omo jail na nka ya tonto ebinim so agapade na ye de bo man no ho bra oman we ya baye baabi a business center being in the government so when you wura ban mu say egwom ufie ka nyina egu you are totally what they say by force and by all means you be rich at the very spot I will be MP at the very spot I will be you be point to even political leader na so party na opa wano we are rich. We should fix the judiciary, fix the constitution. Messi 2024 Ghana youth mon share video no na Ghana youth mira platform we so na yet strong movement. Hey, this very time said the NEC abre no senye democracy ena ye woman nka nanado ne term we nke be dangerous amano se wa unim ke be dangerous amano eniema nkoye we've been scam o man no nanado ne na ban scam ye hwe ma me jiro problem a e koso this time any de eniema hihye ani ba no the same way na nanado share na ban ase woyi ministers bebresi o wonim de oye yehu ye na nanado aye o man femfram na covid ebeji ni etua so under covid time na no so this scammy Ghana for ema Ghana for gini die ye to aba ni wie no se come for your stupidness. Mon share video no mon piepie video no so 2024 wo de nipa wo di na wo sefata no twero ni wa ha NDC mu o omu ni nyansani bia wo dwena oman no ho wa ready say so bi di sika wo de be ko jail. NPP the most scamming government ever omu na ti so yi omu so omu ni obia mon share video mon piepie video no so abusiafo mon piepie video no so Mon piepie video no so. Why did we vote Mahama out? The 18 year tuti ya Mahama. The 18 year tuti ya Mahama. Maybe so. Why did we vote John Mahama out? The 18 year tuti ya no. Yes, aban no obetena so a wo tire abebo no brofo abeka no space abehye na e fa na. Ye bibi magana o man no yentimi nkomra. You cannot take COVID for granted. Now the COVID baba yizi wo ho ano ayese na ye de Canada na ho masa. Ye tuti a prof John Dramani Mahama ene na ban because they were incompetent na niema nkoyi. On fa adwuma on to aketuyem oja na okogina ba bi na otonyum na odi wo mpoa. Ene yese na nado woni wa ban de mo ya de mo mra na nado mo ba mo scam ye no kro we ni o se ka kire mo scam ye no kro we ni o se ka kire mo Ghana mabunu me se mo me ensori o mo me ensori ye beye dede we ya akopim sa manfo beti mi mission ase me se they should fix the judiciary as gracia that fucking money na ye twa the boom edema wo bi se wo ba beye MP no Wababa MP no. If you are serving for just 4 years. If you are serving for just 4 years, now you should be richer than somebody who are working for the whole of the life. About 40 years, 38 years, 35 years. It should tell you something that say the system is not helping the citizens. Can Japan now can say Misamutie? Can the Japan say Ghana system no? And what citizen no? And yes, or can in the name say ABA. Wo wadwempa bi bebo o mayu kan Japan ni adwempa pa bi abebo o mayu o ye NPP ni so wadwempa na ban ne woso no o wadwempa na ban ne woso no o fa mo na ban ye bibi o mo ni hwe di boayen mo share video no mo piepie video no so na mo kan kire na nado ne na ban say o ma da ye nya ne wo no mo nsori they should wake up. We are tired of we are sick and tired of talking about John Mahama. John Mahama was voted out in 2016. 2020, we needed him no more. You know, he was second time you voted out. John Mahama has got nothing to do now. Ayeka say, but rather John Mahama say yes. Prenu biem ewa abayma. Any net said ya ono aka say was short memory no. John Mahama nanado omo ye bogus before Ghana or the say presidency. Omo nyo bi omo kita edimonyam bi o se so omo so. So what I say, 2024 until some fix the judiciary, no more fix the constitution. I mean, with the constitution, buwa mebuno no. Na say, we you be na yetu Obama say president, obesumo maino. Yetu Obama say MP, obesumo maino. And the ministerial appointment, obesumo maino. Se wudi sikabia, say na mrano ni wudi. Until then, no, I'm telling you, we should declare no vote. No vote. No vote. I just want your support because I cannot do it all alone. Because I'm ready. Says ye benya enyansafoni animdifuo bi. Omani ate. Ya omonkota party bi echi. No mo bege se Ghana fo a mo na mehia mo ha. Eye mo na mehia mo. Eye mo na mehia mo. Me ye me videos as normal. But jawe ya maso ano no. I'm not going to stop until we see change. Me say 2024 ebe shock Ghana for. Ye nananom beku ebeko ye. Etwasa e de omumo gya to ho. If we are to fight with our blood, na se Ghana, you may fix the constitution, bogus constitution na mayena, a favor NPM president. If we are to shed our blood, na se may fix the judiciary. Ama obi obedi sika biya no, se mrano ne bedia. And ye be share your blood. We are ready for that. Adey, ede na ekoso no. Adey ti no obi ye adwuma wo man yi mu for about 45 years. 50 years. Obi ye adwuma se wono som obi ye adwuma me se kua ni betimi adwa na single room ontimi nsibi. Because Ghana ya dik na ho empty bie na no tika se wo sore na wo bompa se hiam na akoye kua. System no mo man ye sofa. E na kromfo bia sore a na akopre position ye de ne ko. Enti se Ghana enyansafo a e wo man ni mu ne omo wadwen no ye pia wonum nyina agu nkyɛn. E na kromfo ne awudifo ne nkwasiafo bi numa ekita degrees ni ade professors ne yi ne api omo ade adi omam se omo moye nkrono with the mere certificate. What? Adenti no say yetenata me se 2024 se mayi man sesa no man fix omo bogus constitution na sa ex gracia president etifia na japade ne sika wono wo bedia ne ma ne nana kanso and bodyguard ne hwan ne securities. The number of people in China is nonsense. It was saying, you know, Moya Sambrano. What do you mean as a former president? Now, Wunkua was for Nipe Didi from the government coffers. Ebu Nipa Bay 50. What kind of nonsense is that? Omu Frisua, no Maya lower, a bebuomo, no Massa a cuckoo dama, and Nipa Binuma Monso and deserve some position. No more do you make a contract at your Massa Ancrofono. No more the massa microphone we are. O ma kotere fie na sa microphone na ba be show mu. Na we the rational Ghanaians are always suffering. Me say they should fix the judiciary, fix the constitution. And yes, 2024. Ye be hu kraman odi ni picture be kwa to poster so. He me say ye be hu okraman kura obekwa akotwa photo se mo meto aba mame. E be shock Ghana for. Mo share video no. De akoso no say ye ma ye ni amre na ye nyi yakoma mfiri sa NPP ni NDC sem so a. Nkrofo we omo say oman Ghana. Omo buya man no faso. Omo take yen for granted. Ye sha ase say ye to aba. Am Roberts na sha ase di so. 8 solid years and Am Roberts sha ase di so. Am Roberts no ye NDC for. Omo di oman so 8 years ni hu say niema nkoye. Enia sa bere no NPP for atenachiri aka munyansa sema na ye tomo omo. Ye tomo omo de hu say NPP scam. Na sabre no na scamming level no omo upgrade no said no e na niema scammers nso di yeso scammers no ya MPP for scammers nso di yeso sa 8 solid years na scammers no di yeso no e na yesan dane ani se no di akoso yi di enkoye wo hwa president Kufuor time no na ma me kire one thing na ye the greediness of politicians so wo hwa kwan a NPP fa so 2008 even within them no the greediness of this NDC and NPP no omunka omuhu no na there wasn't unity nkama mu kura ni ho president Kufuor time a yedi ma Professor John Van Satamos menyese papa no wawunti na mekamfo no one of the realest government ever ntina wanche no abanya enka eka ono nko an nsase obi ntimi mmokoro no ntina wanche no yebeku because Ghana when you stand for the truth you become a target sanity. Professor Amos Bedi so ena sabi fofi anto ata no odware na bammo ofiri mu ena John Divas what say Dramani Mahama former president ebeto aso nti ye jamu ma scammers this one na 2008 ye jamu ma Am Roberts na Am Roberts send this one ebepim 2016 ena scammers esambe so mu and this time no the level of scamming ayina oma publishing baby oma qualification you do was scamming mu no enu nti na me say ye ntimi no enti the moment ye be say ya da age say ye beto aba ma NPP ana ye beto aba ma NDC no say NDC ni ye to aba the next 4 years Ghana for ya gia to mu say Am Roberts emedi so because I will say na nadu amemwe we enkoyie tie na nadu amemwe we enkoyie but NDC in their rooms has got nothing good for Ghanaians. They will not think of anything good for Ghanaians but rather to create something ebema ye more what they say anger ama ya tuatia NPP no mo so abebrande kro no bono the same thing na NDC 40 dem mo ye. And this is all because the constitution is always favoring them. This is all because the judicial service is always favoring them. This is all because the law in the country can be massaged by NP, can be massaged by a sitting president. Until the constitution is being fixed, until we see there is justice in Ghana, say judicial service no, yen fixing ye, obidi or mine sika yen fanutum, say sikana yeka ma mo kodi, obi chradie 30 years. Now kodi MP 4 years, wo ye japade e wo niema nyina channel. Obi beye MC within a short period of time why ye say time one in fie na kuroma no sofa potos kura mu ntue bi ekwa kura mu nye bi ede ambone no no ede ambone no no ede ambone no no me se bra ye brei e na nka NDC e wa adwempa bi ti fie so mo ba bebuo man ya nka enye ya bra ye brei e na nka NDC wa adwempa bi wo fie o senka adwempa bi wo NDC 4 team say ye ba bebuo nka enye ya because Ghana so wo hwe bra ehya ase to obeya NPP for ne edi kan nya omumu gidie out of the president Kofo beya yenti eno kura no president Kofo ya nto antia no kwawo edura kire no se de resika no si nyunu no na anu eden opon mo nsem mo kan na this time de bobo sa temu da bi wo wiase a the second time I besia to ma NPP government no atemu da no benya si straight enkoye enkoye kra enkrofo a omo ame omo tete akonwa so yi sabre NDC fo kom de omo say youth no suro problem ni nyina ne say youth no suro youth na ne san ko ba omo pa na omo betake ye na ye brese Ghana ebedi ye no problem ni nyina no but this time no we are going to arise mo share video no nenko ye be boss 3 solid years kopimse 2024 bedu me say akofo ado na ban senanado wonya corrupter on fix the constitution emrafo no mo de ahyehyɛ constitution mo say ubedi ade o manima uto ka eko 7 billion saka loan na mo de mo no enye sika keto wo saka loan na ye de mo 10 billion no say because ye ntimi nto ka fenchem say ye de ma o say ma wusika bi na wo de atoto ho niema 10 billion na 100,000 Ghana cedis. Etimi to cars mako 10. Ani nyina ye luxurious cars. 1 million Ghana cedis rather. 1 million Ghana cedis. Etimi to luxurious cars. E mako 10. 1 million Ghana cedis enye ska kitwa. Etimi to luxurious cars mako 10. A wo bede mama ho ato. Ghana MPs sanya adwembone enya kronobo enya wudisem enya Ghana akwanya muamunim se enya that kind of V8 no ya mumisa V8 na mode dem ya mumisa there in Europe abrochi na mukọ ekobo bosia no MP a wode o man no sika ebeto sa Canada dem mo na mo se mo sori amutukwa ya mumisa ansa na betimi ato search a car to say BMW X5 X6 and cars akese no. Now we a business tycoon be obi say this person is a businessman or a businesswoman. And yes, how you cannot afford to. Now, state money. Omanya ensu ebenum po ebu ye nso so muntimi tweeting ye. Omanya yetimu ya kwan portos mpo muntua bi mayen. Omanya se mo ye kwan mo cha ase 4 years a. I just say 8 years 16 years. Ansa e bi 20 kilometers mpo matimi egu. Omanya mugu kwan a Jisa mukaya ye ba beto aba na masa be fa so kakra boni we mudi na makototo cars akese adem sa kind of ayi nyino se Ghana yitwam and you know se Ghana ye adwen se bedi no kura te before yeso ye ho be kire yen enso nchirima no be survival and if we are ready to make Ghana wealthy we are not the beneficiaries yinya yenom ne beneficiaries no se be benefit yempa it will be in the next 15 years ahead. Dear question na no ade 2024 me say me hwe obi a ode ne nimbe ba beto photo so aka so ba beto oba until the constitution has been fixed. This is what we should fight for. Na say nyansadwa na bloggers bi no mu di. Anya Twene Jonas o. Twene Jonas is out. Wono de ewom say atem na odi na manfo mpe, all right? But Twene Jonas, I can boldly say he's not being influenced, he's not under any influence of any political party. Me boy. Wonye under influence of any political party. Eno de metimi asimpi akasa. But yewo Ghana fo eni ebinum a omonte Ghana de do omo ye nyina no a strategy. They are waiting for somebody to come and see them. They are waiting for somebody to come and see them in chambers. Omo omo de ye no. And on this platform, we share a video no. And yadia ya ready. Say ye beba be sa. We are fighting for Ghana. It is a year and say NPP time. Na wo ba. Wo bibia kafa NPP ho wo de twero. Me fa the party awo. Wo de wo bibia kafa NPP ho atwero. Shase atwero. Because chena e be this time. Sa na tie. O chena e be this time. San krofo we ye di oman na burache. And krofo we ye di oman na burache. We can't afford to be scammed, to be for them to steal from the government coffers like this. Yentimi aden. Eya bra wo sempa. Mon share video no mon pie video no so. Mon pie video no so, mon pie video no so. Ma tena ase ama. Me say Ghana ni bia wote wo. Na wo se wo de NPP ya na me do. NDC ya na me do. E wo se ehwe wadwen mu. Maybe apart from NDC, me no party bia. Ye wo metu NPP mu to me no party bia. E wo say ye hwe wadwen mu, wadwen say wo say ye hwem. NPP, NDC, are disappointed Ghanaians. Rollins, the first 8 years on the part of NDC, not a year. Akufo-Addo, the first 8 years, or they say, John Agyekum Kufuor, former president, the first 8 years on the part of NPP, as compared to Sakromfo, we are not a year. But Niananado, any NPP abayabe, I demonstrated clearly. Said the omode shasi aye jitu mu se na ayenu nyina na scam. John Mama dia declare ne ho dada otifie. John Mama dia o declare ne ho dada enye ne otifie. Na me hwe se John Mama be mistake di nani ma ba beto paper so se ento ababa no ana ba omi ya be mistake se otwinity. Ne ba omi ya ban ya na yehui. Juma ke di be ba be di onom no. Me say Ghana ya breni akromfo ya breni scammers. Omana se yakoduru se Ghana fo maburu nnwoma omoto nyina promote armed robbery kire se ahokyere nti na amakro no koso. Nobody has making a statement say obi away we the ekwe die say ni si ana say nti yenye say ma youth no dabi obi ani ho a wada adwen ho da say de enkoda no ye no enwom na this time enkoda no to no eye de omo fam ena omo de to nwom. Adia national security nimye na national security ye ho ade ye ba ko pe. Yakasa tia na nado ade abeti ni abefa wo. Nonsense. Adia national security nimye be ba ko pe. Wadi pani we atem ade abeti ni abefa wo. Watratin we ade abeti ni abefa wo. Enkoda timi demonstrating how criminal they are because of hunger. Said ya omu twetwo editwo di agro because of hunger in the music. Na nnwom no circulate, no national security, no BNI. Di omu ni ma ne ba bia obi ye adwuma, omu kwa yeyie na omu akwajeje bribe. Enkoda no nnwom na omu to no montia na mo frɛ national me say member be di national security minister no dwuma se. Wone ne nkrofo ne sa BNI boss no. Dwuma member be di omu no omefe. He the money man se matena office near to amokama mohu. Eti black sheriff nyum na oto ne nanse no mantie kwakoda no nyum no mu nsem. Tie akwasiata what say kwaku Darlington ye be pie ni akwa abonten akochinchi ni sika ba fie ye kochinchi na diska ba fie na ye adwuma na diska ba fie ye adwuma o kochinchi because adwuma ni ho eti okobokro no disika ba fie Ghana ban Nanado, the one MPP mo ye Ghana na me kire mo no. okobokro no de sika ba fie okobokro no de sika ba fie okobokro no de sika ba fie. In the music no, look at listen to this verse. Soja ni betwitu apesika, criminal betwitu office obi ahia pay. Aban wote so na se national security minister. Senya waso na esisi na wo ye obi a wotie oman no masem na nyese ministerial appointee no only to cover your gurus and MPP mpanimfo a adenti na nwumwei aba out na montimi react to this music. Who the problem a ekoso montie enwum baako kire me baby I don't know what man just want to pick some up sanwum na mu na ya talk here rap etuo no wen run sanwum ankura no to edi pesika no kire say the system is down in a way that the youth cannot find anything better apart from robbery. Ankura no demonstrate omo and what they are seeing on the street through the music. National Security Minister, what's what? At the only man, some better hey, and a meka said, Nanado, a bang, hey, quite be a member say, Jay, Nanado, eh, so be an understand another kind of 4 years. Ah, near Quackofano, Bulldog. Nkura demonstrate, said your chrono, kosovo maimu, and you dare sit down, relax. Because my salary so munya bidi enya bihwa mo family enti munwe Ghana fo na sofa no ho enti moja be na gumumu enti mu twa moto butase na se nkoda girigiri enti mo yire ho omo so niema enti ya mo yire ho adwen be ne da Ghana mpanimfo mutim hwe ba bia na do no waban wo ma Ghana akwakoduru mo na mo ya ade wa akontan ye kasa mumu akontan ene pa mo de Ghana ka wei ayama Ghana fo mo betimi ebu within 4 years. Edi abro sem no. Aden. Edi abro sem no. Enti moja ni mumu. Enti mu hie ni an ho nya mmobo. Hie ni sikani ntimi nyepe because sometimes poverty is the way you think. Hie ni sikani ntimi nyepe. Nanso hie ni so won so ne dia nani mabre wo sikani. O hie ni o won so ne dia nani mabre wo sikani. Prince Success. Obi Ebisam said, what me myself has done to develop of this country. Me I'm sound. I will not answer you. You get your reply from Omomuhe video now. You get your reply. You will get your reply. Me and sound. Mo go mine, mo bo mine fem. Mo bo mo Ebisam said, dear na me maya me debua omeyi. Me ma sorry say yem maya dwimu na ho. Na ye mpanimfo emfix constitution no na emwa timemufo no so be ka me won ye ka bomu sori a ede na ye ntimi nye magana say nipa we da so tiase edidi da all because our NPP according to the committee our NPP wow ye nyasa sabi nipa binum say ya eno na ama mpanimfo no take advantage of us no onwene die wonima ne se wo ya video wo ka se mebeboa oman na no abetwro nkwase asem no abe demonstrate the foolishness na okọ hwe die akoso no se ya ma yani amre na ye mpanimfo amfix constitution no na ye nyae se emra no edi ohiani a I'm telling you we are going to suffer hwe se obi akọ wi akokọ se nipa no wo prison John Mahama ni ministers both what they say former MPs the current MPs ni nda so ne nam ho President Akufo be di ade ko ni ministers ni MPs eda so ne nam ho na nadu e carry 4 term awie second term omo be wie o man finfran mo wie o mbene nam ho all because constitution no support omo constitution no favor omo tenase ayemra ebema omo amma bedidi oman no so na emom nye de ebeboa timamuni no etibire bia no mafa ye labors e na ye suffer ye sem afifire na omo enjoy. What kind of nonsense is that? Can ye nso awo hine kwawo yeso awo hine fi se wotwa asabi ema nchirima faaso ntina ye pagya wo hine so a listen to me ye nso awo hine kwa Yenswa wo hene kwa. Yeswa wo hene efise ne pabi a waye. Ghana mpanin bɛn ɛna wɔbɛba bɛdi ɔman yi so a sɛ wureti ne nhyehyɛ ne bibia wɔnyɛ corrupt sɛ yɛbɛtimi abɔ na ba so deɛ nka wɔbɛtimi anya saa award no bi Professor John Evans Atamos straight ne bibia is straight ɔman mpanin ohu sɛ baabi bibi nkɔ so no atu ne nam ɔkɔ hɔ Nana Addo bɛdwi n'ani na ɔnyɛ hwee na amanfoɔ abɛtwerɛ letter press release bi kura na Nana Addo no nyɛ ɔna twerɛ anaso onim ho hwee ni abɛtwerɛ abɛhyɛ na no ni e dia ba abɛto ɛso no action ya ka asɛma ugino na oyeye mon share video no mon piapia video no so mon like it mon follow page no Facebook Your Minute TV ko YouTube subscribe to me YouTube channel no or Minute TV the same thing on YouTube okwa be series of videos me Twitter content ahodo ogu ho me say this fight will be one of my leisure time. I will step on the neck of this government because me person Nana Addo make the time we na quite say o twa wi enti na make the chi asem Nana Addo we have the trust in you with your words. Any one crofo President Kufuor kan say enim di for de o mo bebu aban bire bi a yesi ya fe na ban no say enim di for no da so gu say anya no kura o first attempt to na yes scam na a yes scam said ye be ya a first time NDC NPP medi yade nti ye begye di say NPP has got something better omokote na fie no mo say ye di kan asomoman no President Kufuor time no asomoman no ama ye yagi na to ye di din no nti ye say ye wodi da nti no ye bo Ghana fo kro no a ye hu NDC fo so ba mo message ni say obi aka Rollins asem say Rollins be yade o be yade Rollins Kufuor kita gallon suye oba obe page fuel bo eti amanfo afi Rollins nti ye mo di Rollins di na scam ye 2008 ebe 2016 eye scammers ni armed robbers mo di o man so 16 years emrafo na mo hyehya mo di support mo ho a mo di tuatua mo ho aka no change the constitution fix the constitution fix judiciary na obi obedi o man no sika no emra ni Baby a Ghana, ye get taxi free. Baby a Ghana, ye get taxi free. Enyunu fa nyina no, mumwura ho, not memfo, we are ready to pay tax. Provided say tax no ye bad because the judicial system no ye good. Na constitution no has been fixed to serve the country into ye tuesika na e be san ayeden abaye ho. Adenti na butime densa. Adenti na butime densa. Enti mo nia badaye ketwa, enti mo nwene nipa ho ketwa mpu. Eti sa abrofo timi ba ebe konkuriase ekofidi African children enya mayire ho. Hey, mo share video no. Mo frefre na video ebe ko because sometimes say we akura na wo kasa. Ni enya hu se pani bi wo fie pe me yawe ni asende akoma wo panimfo no. Me yawe se pani bi wo bi fie but I am doing it. I am doing it because Ghana essay ye mpanimfo ma Ghana essay me menya baabi ahye ebi a wo nya baabi nhye me menya baabi ahye ebi a wo nya baabi nhye ebi a wo nua bi nya baabi nhye. We should stop the selfishness menya baabi ahye de amamia ma no sasuma no muma ye nyai na ye nhase ye nka nokore na Ghana mpanimfo ngu say we aren't cowards ye njimi ye. (2024) no vote. 2024 no vote. Mun piapia video no so. Ya ka so vanda makwaba. Mun piapia video no so. Adenti na yatena ase ama NPP ni NDC. Ejimi yensa. Obi e kasa na wosuru. Obi e kasa na wosuru. Hwe. Do mama besisi adan be yewi. Eni motom sika. Nana Addo enuani onu ama fodi. Eni motom sika. Nipa no ba no be wie ya na ya put nipa no under consideration say obebo e kro no so wan ye we. Look at this nonsense. Why na man sika dan ma so on fa bi nsi kukobu a wonti bi fancy. Mama cheo this kind of ruling are yempani for ebu no. Any illiterate can rule the country. Obi a wan ko school bia betime rule country we. Obi a wan ko school, obi a any illiterate can rule this country. This kind of ruler amode maye. Shiakai. Obi say menka passport aye motor man Nigerians no. Unim meba ho. Be say work atweto o ma me director. Tweto o ma me na ya kai me. Meba sa passport sem no so because I know everything about the passport a year wo kan no. Minim say kwan am fa so ye no and they will pretend say wo koye passport bi ya o be say that pretend di obi abegina ho say ya chi asemasi wo Nigeria ni na oba be register. We Nigeria ni a sorry ko enso omo ankasa no they will register for Nigerians themselves. Hey, Ghana for who? Say you no ya ma ye ni amre. Na Ghanaians abroad anka mbom na ya fix date ama mo ntwa take ma. Na ya sorry a oman no be say. Oman no be jija kura ye ho hwe ayi. 2024 no vote. 2024 no vote. We will vote under constitution under what say circumstance. We will vote under say ebia oma fixing the constitution. We will vote when we see that the constitution is favoring we the citizens. We will vote when we see say the car loan to the MPs. Yo momfa to car papa na akwanfo no enkeka ho no ometwem. We will vote when we see say S gracia is not more than pensioners or the same money. Aday. If there is any what they say constitution it me impeach President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, they make the place ye impeach no straight. Mo wie o man ya che, mo gro man hu ache, mo say wo man no, this time nipa ekum nipa o Ghana ha, ye mfa ho. Mo ma criminal abaye normal thing wo man yi mu because nipa no ekomo de no, odi awukura onwen. Na wo se wo ko chinchin apesika ba fia enya adwuma no, nipa wo kokunu no, wono de oni family. Oh, enya enkora no demonstrate di omo fam ewo omo nyumu na man panimfo mote ho. Adey mon pia video no so mon share video no ni nyina na the motivation bi FFM o share video me page ni so a ma post video bi about obi oye matwa okofa obi yira yebo ni tu me the advice aka ho mo me yensua de na ye mo ye bra na ye ma ye ni mmere se ye betua na mompa se ye de ye bra bo ebo ni ye ne yetua na mompa na nipa bi obeba ye dwom ya som ni yi a enam so ne betimi aka nokora ne nyansasem bi a kere ye mpanimfo a sabe ye hu se de omo ye bi a emfa kwan mu no so atase na ye babunu no so no se ye de ye bra bo nyina koye sabe tramo wi no mani akohwisem ne niam bi enhia ebeye den no mayi enya good and future leaders are omo ye brilliant and bright people are omo ka se mu da ho. Mon share video no mo pepe video no so kofe YouTube na subscribe to my YouTube channel no Omene Nta TV mo pepe video no so 2024 no vote nanado ye kana kodura nimu oman no ka akoduru animu o policy ben na ade ba ye da so ginema oman no nyina ye betimi de agina so se anti na sika no eko monko hes free SHS na gija atete apansam ye benya nipa ma na be defended this a whole of the year ye wo NDC ni a wo betan aban no adi aban na tem akeka sebafa aban no 4 years ye wo NPP ni a de na ban ye krono na Bible nyina da oba be defend 4 years e dey nsem hunu no adenti na wose Ghana for yesoso nsem wi so I said we are swimming in debt as a matter of fact. Missing constitution no and there was a fight to be for it to be fixed. Emrane boy who buy wo man no and penifo na yem unim say your constitution bebre ho a is not readable to the citizens. We are aware say last me be ka kire wo say de Kwame Nkrumah or chiro constitution bi to ho eno nenam so a so obi fa honhom sema say bia me yesofo me ye konfo a odi nkwasiasem say den a na omo dodo no ye won niema bebre ho a empanimfo no omo constitution no mu no it is not readable to us. Ghana constitution no e was so mutimi publish constitution na every Ghanaian ne nsaka bi no hunu de ekoso wo manmra no also mutimi e de good site on obi ehu enye time a asemasi na abekọ constitution ma kofa wo mraba. We have to know the constitution. E was yehu through our education ye school na no e was akoda bi ehu de eye oman no mra de ekoso when it is being updated, the benefit there for everybody e was yehu. Aden maboye nkro no ache ona se na do de we disappointed Ghanaians big time when na ban no. And sometimes I am more kan na do nko the NPP government as a whole said the equator said John Mama the time the NDC government as a whole e disappointed. Omo maye who said they are incompetent, and we trusted the competent NPP to come and then do something good for us. And the NPP party as a whole, there is no hope. What do you say? Obi to say Osafumafo, senior minister, or yet them power, sir, in the position or one. DSC Kapana wope, DM Pana, the would team say, yeah, what's your office? So I bet me deliver Magana for. And yeah, Nibra. And yeah, Nibra. She. Oh my Ghana, you sorry, I hear condemn it, or they say, a fool no na work agri business. I was for mon share video no, and then me see who can crash them. Yasha here. Fix the constitution, fix judiciary. Else 2024, no vote. And it go shock them. Ebe shock you mo. Ebe shock Ghana for. Share video no. Catch it obi say. Nana ba ke from agenda media ba no. Mo follow me Inter TV. Why ebe twitwa series because we cannot die out of the pressure of these people. Edru ba bi na say bi esere o say be yi asere FM. Edru ba bi na o say entertainment ya munya me viewers me say ya munya disclaimer. There is a difference between every video. So we share video bi na say political show. I for political pressure e be comment wa ase. But what you say? So we share video bi a hwe the for be comment no. Hwe angular video no free ba. Me fiti preoccupy comment. Nya say be comment awie no. Wow, reply no ebe me look foolish. What you say? Anti ya mumma yensue ni nyina na yenhu. And besides that no. Se ye ka nokure na se wotena social media no so. Na nokure no wo de wo se wo mpese obetie na afa ni two personal. You have no problem. Wo benya pressure by yourself. This are na nkasa. Omo nwene hwe NDC ni MPP for omo nwene hwe. Na do na ban the most scamming government ever. Na do aban. Scamming government ever. Na do na ban. 2024 me say ye behwe dipo obegino so obepe vote. Mon share video no na ye movement no nye hard. Say ye be obi a behu say Ghana politicians o mafuli yen ache. Na do pese ye nya 2024 what they say NPP candidate obegina NDC for mo pese ye nya 2024 candidate amobegina. Mo nyina mo nka mom na mo nya baako na mo nka say mo bu ye nkwase ache mo confess na mo fix constitution no man in favor citizens no. Sa emrafo ni sika na mudi na se no o mampani wo free so a 10 years and say etim de wakokot nonsense oba so na bedi nkwase asema 10 years moye mra na mudi a favor mo ho enti until say ye be hu se constitution no yaye this time so obi ba bedi ade se MCE DCE MP ministerial appointee government and I say what say civil servants opposition positions no nyina no. Say nipa na ye ready say osom wo man no ne so ne nakatua ye de bema no na mum sika bi anyunu fa ne nsase a ye be che no. Fix the constitution, fix the judiciary. Say Ronaldo, if you are not ready for this, trust me, NPP munya mistakes am be Congress. NDC munya mistakes am be Congress. Munya sa mistake no say mu be akoyi mu leader. Na mu yi a youth no this menya support. Ye betin tesuko kopa de akyeremo mo hu say ye ni abre. Mon fix constitution no. Constitution no mon fix you otom. Mon fix constitution no mon fix judiciary. Hey, de bia ye meba beka omutuja. Until we see change de bia meba beka omutuja. Mon pia video no so YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel Omen Inter TV. Me twa series of videos, interviews ahodo ameye. Ni nyina me twa de gu Omen Inter TV ho. Mon subscribe. See so hwe a me studio me produce jingle. me production, me produce jingle. Ama company binti. After that, no me say twa video bi di ato. But before no, me the video bi ato. I fa Ghana youth bi yabo the tuo because we gym instructor wakofa obiyere and trust me, not only gym instructors in Kwan na di say adwuma no. Ghana maburu bibire ye bi. Me the advice aka ho me na eja meja pade bi. Yes, natural resources are not the solutions. Technology is definitely natural resources are technology, but we have the natural resources as well. The technology no the kaho a ebebo ama yakoyanim. Mon share video no, mon pie video no so. My next video no, you should get ready. Ebeye normal call, ye be pick call, ye no be dim komo. Ye be shase apeke call, ye no be dim komo. Me studio nti me wahana ofra ye be dim komo bia beti de wo ka bia na afei ya toaso. And we are ready to make a change. There will be a change. There will be a change. Twini Jonas the attempt nti na mo attack na mo mra na mo attack me. Na Ghana for mo wo say me my video mo bia be counter da. Mo de ya mo study. Mo wo say me na number ke fa my video ama obi ade aso camera esi nanim abe counter da. Asem no efri adwen mu na eba. Emfiri me yem me ekomo ne me na mabeji usika tie. Me hia metimu dada. Nya afi na mpese be isike ni chencheren. Tie niye. Me hia metimu dada. Moma yenya oman no mu ye na yetima ye nyina ye ni age. Enti esika for dependency ratio ni amanfo deda mo kwano ye nya mawere ho. Munya oman no ye ni ye nyina yetima ye ni age. Munya mra na me se wo pese wo di container mposi baabi. Said the district assembly be sia mo wasofa wiase no. Enye easy. Mumma youth no sofa sa. Ye mistake na je plot so be si dan. Permit a wo beji no wo bembebu am waji dan no si. Adan. Foreign aba ofan easy. Temamuni na wo sofa. Adan. Abuja for mo share video no. Mo pie video no so. Mo share video no. Ene me de kakra ne bre mo. Be san ba. Na bre bi a meba no. Fix the country, fix the judiciary. Else 2024 ye behu NPP na NDC a obeji no se okọ Congress. Ana okoyi ayi bi aba. Sa mo atibida. Easy. Ye be ma easy na hu se ense se wo ye mistake so print ballot paper bia. Until se ye be hu se emra ebo omo ho ban no transparent because obi ya adwuma sabi na ketua fata no na nya ketua se moto sika bum na mo pagya ne ma bo na mo matimi ato na temabufo no ya sofa mo share video no mo pie video no so me da se mo share video no menya Ghana for o madwen mu do no o ma follow me Michael say don't worry. Menya Ghana for my dream do. Ghana for a dream Ghana ho. No ma follow me. Etimi abe bobosia ma metu me spam kura de ka. Wa bobosia ma me spam kura gu ma ya se de ka. Ade. Aba be gino say we are expert of the economy. Momo ye expert of the economy. Hey. Ready nyame. Na what me say nipa be na amani sika dama na se fa bi sin kukobo ntimi mfansi dia Ghana panifo mu ye illiterate kura betimi arule o man no because ye wo obi ho a wanko school but ni nyanse kita no ne ntoto ye kita no otimi bɔ ne ho brama o ye adwumaden e me na bra bosi ni ye dia Ghana panifo mu ye illiterate kura betimi ayeden abu o man no share video no ko YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel no we are expert in stealing o me Inter TV. Omene Inter TV. Omene